This is the Iron Trader, and this is midday trading. Today, we're going to take a look here at the dollar and at the VIX. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have your dollar, your daily, your weekly, and your monthly chart. Now, you'll notice that a lot of stuff is selling off there today, okay? Your crude oil, your natural gas, your commodities. Because as the dollar goes up, commodities come down and vice versa. Okay, so what we have here is you got a nice bottom here sitting at 99.57. So we have to look at where we're going to go on the upside here. So what we want to look at here is we need to hold this area right here. Okay, so we're looking at this 100 SMA here. You're looking at 102.38. We're looking at this 50 SMA here. We're looking at 102.54. That's the area that needs to be held. So if it can get above, then we look at this candle right here. Okay, so this is sitting at 103.18. And then if we can get above that, then we look to this 103.57. And then right above that is we have our nice 200-day 103.97. That would be the upside. Okay, so on the downside, if you can hold these key SMAs here, then we look here to this 8 SMA here. You're looking at 101.68, and then we have your 21 SMA right below that at 101.33. Now, again, if that is lost, then we start looking to these candles here. Okay, so you're looking at 186. Then this candle here, you're looking at 155. And then we come over here, you're looking at basically 100, and then your retest here is 99.57 here. So we got to see exactly where it's getting good, but it looks like the dollar is gaining some pretty good strength here. Now, if you look here on the weekly, you can see how it was holding this pattern here very nice and then broke lower here, okay? So again, if it went below this candle, then you got a nice 200 SMA sitting right there, sitting at 98.28. So that's good support. So now here on the upside, we want to look here at your 21 SMA here, sitting at 102.43. And then on the downside, you want to look at this key 8 SMA here, sitting at 101.95. If you can break ahead, then we want to look here at 104.98, basically the 105 area. That would be, again, you got to get through all of this here before we can get that. But that would be basically your target, which would line up pretty nicely here with 104.70. Not too bad. Okay, so on your monthly chart here, we have your 8 SMA here. You're looking at 102.85, and then your 21 is right above that at 103.22. But right now, it looks like your dollar here is gaining some good momentum. You pretty much double top there, came on all the way down here, but you're holding this, and it never got down to this key 200 SMA here, and now she's rallying up here. So always remember the inverse with the dollar and the commodities. All right, let's take a look here at the VIX. All right, here we have the VIX. Here what you have is you have your daily and your weekly chart. Now, you can see how it was just right here on the bottom here, but it had a lot of nice retests here. If you look here, your low was 12.73. Over here, you put in 12.74, a higher low. That's a real nice double bottom there. So what we want to do on the upside is we want to look here to this SMA here, this 100 sitting at 16.89, and right above that is 17.08. And then your big target here is going to be your 19.56. Now, this is so relatively low, but we've had a really nice rally. So what you want to do here is on the downside, watch this key 50 SMA here. That is going to be very, very key support level here. And then what we do is we always have this gap. See this here? So if you look at the bottom here, you got 14.95. And then you look at that's the gap. And then we look at the top of here, you have 14.30. So that'd be your gap. And this would be the fill, okay, if this 50 SMA here is lost. And then right below it here, we got your 14.06. That's your 21-day, and your 8 SMA pretty much pinned right there at 14.04. So you got good support levels right here. The key is going to be a break above this 17.08 for it to go higher. Okay, now again, if you can get above this, then we start looking at these candles right here. Okay, so this here would be 18.80, and then we have a target up there of 21.33. So you got some pretty good target areas on the upside here. Okay, but let's not get too excited. The U.S. got downgraded. That's why we've got the big sell-off going on there today here. But I think this sell-off is going to be short-lived. I think people are looking more of a buying opportunity going into like the September months. That's where you got to be very, very September, October, very, very leery. Okay, about the markets there, but I think it's a buying opportunity going to there. And then if we do have a sell-off here like in the fall, I think that'd be another buying opportunity going into the end of the year. So let's just take a look here on the weekly chart here. So what we want to do is we want to look at this 21 SMA here. Okay, so you're looking at 1634. If you can get above, then we just follow the candles all the way up, and then your big target obviously is sitting at $20.46. And then on the bottom here, you got 1396. That's your 8 SMA. That's going to be your support level. And then you have a big retest there at 1273. All right. Thanks for watching.